Hello, English learners, and welcome to English Pod. My name is Marco.
I'm Amira.
And Amira and I are here today with a great lesson for you.
Yes, we are.
Today, we're going to be talking about a restaurant. Amira, why don't you give us a little bit more details?
Well, we're talking about a situation in a restaurant and two people are involved, the waiter and the customer. And I don't want to say any more.
Okay, don't say any more. Let's just listen to this dialogue and we'll be back later to explain it.
Good evening. My name is Fabio. I'll be your waiter for tonight. May I take your order?
No, I'm still working on it. This menu's not even in English. What's good here?
For you, sir, I would recommend spaghetti and meatballs.
Does it come with Coke and fries?
It comes with either soup or salad and a complimentary glass of wine, sir.
I'll go with the spaghetti and meatballs, salad, and the wine.
Excellent choice. Your order will be ready soon.
How soon is soon?
20 minutes?
You know what? I'll just go grab a burger across the street.
Ma va un po', ti vieni in questo locale, mi fai tutte queste domande ancora? Ma va, pigliato.
Uh-oh, what a waiter.
What a waiter. He is really angry at this customer, and I can't blame him. I would be angry too.
Yeah. So, I think, Marco, you have chosen some interesting expressions for us here. What is the first one?
Well, the first one is, I'm still working on it.
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 Why don't we listen to some other examples on how you can use this word, and then we'll come back and explain it.
Did you finish reading the magazine?
I'm still working on it.
Did you fix my car?
I'm still working on it.
So you could say, I'm still working on it, means...
I still need more time.
Fantastic.
Great. Okay, it's clear.
I have another one for you guys. It's a phrase commonly used, and you'll hear it all the time. Coke and fries.
Coke and fries.
Coke and fries.
Coke and fries. It's a short way of saying Coca-Cola and French fries.
So that's basically America's fast food.
Yeah, burger, Coke, and fries.
Okay. What's next on the menu?
On the menu, we have a complimentary glass of wine.
Complimentary glass of wine.
Complimentary glass of wine.
Complimentary means...
that it's free.
Free.
Yes.
We love that, huh?
Yeah, we definitely like free things.
Well, I have another one for us here. Another interesting phrase. I'll go with.
I'll go with.
I'll go with.
I'll go with.
So basically, it's another way of saying I'm choosing.
Yeah, I'll choose or I'll take.
I'll take. Mm-hmm. Okay, very good.
All right, the next word that I want to take a look at is grab.
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 Okay, now let's listen to some other examples of how we could use grab in different situations, and then we'll come back and explain it.
On your way home, can you grab some milk?
Wait for me, please. I need to grab my coat.
Let's grab a cup of coffee.
All right, well, I would understand that go grab means go get quickly.
To go get quickly, yeah.
Yeah. All right, everyone. So now it's time to listen one more time to the dialogue and listen carefully and try to understand why the waiter doesn't like the customer. Let's listen.
Good evening. My name is Fabio. I'll be your waiter for tonight. May I take your order?
No, I'm still working on it. This menu's not even in English. What's good here?
For you, sir, I would recommend spaghetti and meatballs.
Does it come with Coke and fries?
It comes with either soup or salad and a complimentary glass of wine, sir.
I'll go with the spaghetti and meatballs, salad, and the wine.
Excellent choice. Your order will be ready soon.
How soon is soon?
20 minutes?
You know what? I'll just go grab a burger across the street.
Ma va un po', ti vieni in questo locale, mi fai tutte ste domande ancora? Ma va a pigliarti.
Marco, why did this waiter get angry at the customer?
Well, he basically wasted the waiter's time. I mean, this guy comes into the restaurant, he is not very polite, and he's asking all these questions, and in the end he just gets up and says, I'll just go grab a burger across the street.
Yeah, and I also think that this guy was a lot more casual than the place he was in, right?
Yeah, I think this was a nice, fancy restaurant, so I think he was in the wrong place.
Yeah. So how many times, Marco, tell me, do you really have fast food a week?
Fast food, let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God.
No. I think I get fast food maybe once or twice a week. All right, talking about fast food made me hungry, so I think I'm going to go grab something to eat myself.
Yeah, me too.
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson today, and remember that all of this vocabulary is useful for your everyday needs.
Yes. Well, actually, here in English Pod, we focus on phrases and words that are high frequency, and that means that you can use them every day in your practical life.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Are you dining alone today?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Great, here's your menu. Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Yes, I'll have a Coke, please.
1 Coke, got it. Take your time with the menu. Let me know if you're still working on your decision.
Thanks, I'll look through it now.
Here's your Coke. Have you decided yet, or are you still working on it?
I'm still working on it, but can I ask for your help?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I can't decide between the grilled chicken sandwich and the cheeseburger. What would you suggest?
Both are popular, but I'd suggest the grilled chicken sandwich. It's healthier and comes with a side of fries or a salad.
That sounds good. I think I'll go with the grilled chicken sandwich. Can I have it with fries?
Sure. Would you like to add anything, like a soup or an appetizer?
What soups do you have today?
We have tomato soup and chicken noodle soup. Both are fresh and delicious.
I'll grab the chicken noodle soup, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, I think that's all for now.
Perfect. I'll put your order in while you wait. Would you like to know about our complimentary dessert options?
Oh, I didn't know you had complimentary desserts. What are they?
We're offering complimentary vanilla ice cream to all our customers today.
That's nice. I'll think about it after my meal.
Sounds good. I'll be back with your soup shortly. Here's your chicken noodle soup. How is it so far?
It's really good. Just what I needed.
I'm glad you like it. Your sandwich and fries will be ready soon.
Thanks.
Here's your grilled chicken sandwich with fries. Would you like any ketchup or other sauces?
Yes. Could I grab some ketchup, please?
Absolutely. Here's your ketchup. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
Let me know if you need anything else.
I will.
How's everything tasting?
It's perfect. The chicken is tender and the fries are crispy. I think I made the right choice.
I'm happy to hear that. Are you thinking about trying the complimentary dessert now?
Yes, I'll go with the vanilla ice cream.
Great. I'll bring it right out. Here's your ice cream. Enjoy.
Thank you. This is a nice treat after the meal.
You're welcome. Would you like anything else before I bring the check?
No, I think I'm good.
All right, I'll grab your check. Take your time. Here's your check. You can pay at the counter whenever you're ready.
Thanks for the great service.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank you. Don't forget to visit us again.
I'll definitely come back.
the English Pod audio review. Listen to the meaning, then say the vocabulary word.
Not yet completed. Need more time.
Still working on.
Suggest.
Would recommend.
Free.
Complimentary.
To choose. Pick.
Go with.
To get quickly.
Grab. Let's try that faster.
Not yet completed. Need more time.
Still working on.
To get quickly.
Grab.
Suggest.
Would recommend.
To get quickly.
Grab.
To choose. Pick.
Go with. Now say the word and hear it in a sentence. Still working on.
Have you decided what to do tonight? I'm still working on it.
Complimentary.
Would you like a complimentary dessert?
Go with.
I'll go with the red dress instead of the blue one.
Grab.
Let's grab some beers after work.
Go with.
I'll go with the red dress instead of the blue one.
Grab.
Let's grab some beers after work.